music professional looking to create outstanding music visualization videos for your YouTube channel, or the Facebook page, or the events, or your personal music gallery. Or maybe you just want to create ultimate listening and visual experience for your fans, for your music tracks, for the people who love you. What if I'll say that you can have a variety of music visualization templates for all your tastes, for all your themes and preferences to choose from. And you can create your 3D music visualizers quickly and easily. And today we are going to have a discussion around how you can create music videos from Onemaker.io website. First, go to the website of Onemaker.io. Now you can go to the section of the music visualizer. If you are a content creator, you can find another options as well, which we can discuss in other videos, like slideshows, logos, and stuff like that. Then click on the music visualizer. Now you can select the template that you like, or which goes to your theme, which can save a lot of your time. Here you can also find right template according to your needs or the themes. Fill in the required field, the template that you desire. Here you can add necessary changes like adding the text, changing the color, changing the theme, adding the logos, making most important, adding the music track to the visualizers. Now click on Make Video. Once you're done making the nice changes and important font styles, you're ready to make the video. Your video will be rendered very soon. Now save it and download in your computer system. Here you have plenty of options available for your music artist journey. Next, you might be having to get some important tips which will make your music visualizer or your music videos more appealing than ever. I know, audio makes a great difference, but a picture says 1,000 words. So make sure you will say 1,000 words, that too in a appealing manner, with a great visual. Try to add a logo, a picture of your brand or your story. Second, use one style. If you are a brand or an individual, try to be consistent with your style or the color themes. That makes great effect. Third, post regular videos. And here one surprise for you. I think you might be happy to get a 2-month free subscription on Onemaker.io platform. On Onemaker.io, we are simply organizing one giveaway. To enter, all you have to do is like up this video and leave a comment. And share with the people you think they need. Share what is the best 3D music visualizers template that you like. We'll select the 20 winners at random. And do not forget to leave your Insta or Facebook handle or anything through which we connect to you in case you win. With 2 months of the free subscription, you can discover multiple music visualizer templates, slideshows, logos, and experiment with your creativity. What else do you want in life? 2 months are worth a while. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Till then, keep creating, keep sharing.